Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I am going to do a little shop with me. I'm heading to Lowe's to look at some flooring. If you remember if you watched the last video, I gave you guys a partial tour of the living room and kitchen area where the flooring will go. So if you watch that video, please give me some ideas on the flooring that you like and the ones that you think would look best in the throughout the living room and kitchen area, because it will be through the whole area, basically the whole house, including the hallway. I think I want to go with something light, a light color. I don't want nothing too dark, something that'll brighten up the space. So yeah, we're gonna head to Lowe's and let me know what you guys think of all the floors. All right guys, so I just made it to Lowe's, so we're gonna go in here and look at the flooring and see what kind of flooring they have on the inside. I think while I'm in here, I'm also going to look at the flooring for the bathroom, because I'm gonna be replacing the flooring in my bathroom. But I want some kind of tile, black and white tile. So I'm gonna look in here while I'm in here and see what kind of tile they have in here as well. So I'll see you when we get in. All right, you guys, so we made it to the flooring section. And I'm actually really liking this first one here at the top. I know I don't like these. These are way too dark. Guys, I think I found my bathroom tile. It's the second one on the top. But I'm kind of torn between the second one and the fifth one. Not sure which one do you guys like better. Let me know in the comments down below. Kind of like this here too. Let's see what kind of flooring they've got over here. actually really like this one, guys. I think that's too light. I feel like that would be too light up against my gray walls in the living room. But the camera is making it look a lot lighter than it actually looks in person. And I also like that one there in the middle. Guys, I don't know, I'm torn. So many choices. I actually like that one as well. The top and the bottom. But for some reason the camera makes it look lighter. But I really like this one. Let's see if they have more on the other aisle. This looks more like shower tile or backsplash. I really like this one. I think this is it, guys. I think this is the whole selection. Guys, what do you think about this? I really like this. Or this one, the driftwood. I really like this, guys. I think this is what I want to put in the bathroom on the floor. But for the living room and kitchen, I'm so torn. I don't know what to go with. I'm really kind of liking this, but then I'm not too sure because I feel like that's too grayish. Guys, this is a hard choice. This is something you got to look at every day. And if you don't love it, What do you think about this one, guys? How do you think it would look? It looks so much brighter on this camera than it does in person. Because it looks gray on the camera, but it's actually more of a brown, light brownish color.
Wash your hands frequently and often your elbow. We are committed to your safety while visiting our store. We continue to resupply our store inventory to ensure you have the items you need. So the time to take is limited. We appreciate you visiting Lowe and look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a Lowe's day.
It's too light. It's too dark. Let's see here. I feel like that's too dark. This is Charleston Oak. Alright guys. So out of these two, which one would you go with? Let me know. For the living room and kitchen area. But remember, this is showing up dark, lighter than what it actually is. And then we have this one. Are these the same thing? Yeah, these. And we have this one, which is called Sea Salt Hickory. I actually think I like this one the best. Final decision. One of these three. Which one would you guys go for? Let me know in the comments down below which one you guys like the best. There is just so many choices, but I think I'm really liking this one for the bathroom. I think I like this one for the bathroom.
Yeah.
Let's see if they have more choices. Oh, they have rugs in here? I didn't know that. Really like that rug. But it has black. I don't want black in it. So I tend to get rid of my furniture. Let's see, I do like this one though. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna end it here for now. But let me know down in the comments which of these three would you guys go with for the living room and the kitchen area. Okay guys, so we're back home from our shopping trip, and I didn't really pick up too much, and I still haven't decided on what flooring I want to go with yet. So I would really appreciate if you guys would watch the previous video, the partial living room kitchen remodel, and let me know what flooring you guys think would look the best in the living room and kitchen area. And that wraps up this video. So please like, share, and comment. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And I hope you guys have a safe and blessed day. Bye.